had setbacks. I wish I had a jetpack to take me to my next chapter. But yeah, give me a plane or a boat. I will fly, even float, to go anywhere except backwards. I got my head up to the sky, searching for that halo. Cause right after the storm you find the rainbow. Only God knows the price I paid to make that payroll. Been found a couple times to understand that's how the game go. Can't forget when I was out of control, felt like I was losing my mind. Came to that fork in the road, didn't know which way to decide. Cause up was down, it was out, and left was taking me right. Seeking to fly, but I landed standing without any sight. So what's my next clue? I need a breakthrough, stranded in the ocean, floating until you came through. You couldn't shame me and blame me for making the best move, but instead you rescued and gave me the best of you.